Hi there and welcome to my channel, taslimamaya.art. This is Taz. Thank you for considering becoming a channel member. There are so many different perks with channel membership and levels. You'll see a lot of inspiring acrylic paint pouring art and mixed media art on my channel. Every week I upload step-by-step tutorial videos for the public, but as a channel member you would get exclusive content from behind the scenes and lots of different perks depending on your level of membership. I'm deeply grateful to every one of my valued members for their support in my growth as an artist. With a platinum membership, for example, you'll get priority reply to comments and questions, loyalty badges next to your name in comments and in live chat, custom emojis to use in comments and live chat, exclusive members only content and behind the scenes unreleased footage, early access to new videos before they're publicly released, regular member shoutouts and thank yous in my videos, exclusive photos and status updates in the community tab, and virtual video collaborations as well as connecting with me on social media. A big shout out and thank you goes to my current channel members. Thank you for supporting me, and it would be wonderful for you to join our exclusive little group. Hope to see you soon. But just before you leave, I also have a brand new Facebook group called Acrylic Pouring and Mixed Media by taslimamaya.art, and you're welcome to join that for free and share your creative journey with us as well as learn from each other. Thank you for watching and happy pouring.